This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to change the background color in Canva. So I've got some images open here in one of my projects. These are just some of my YouTube thumbnails right here. Now I've got this purple background here on this particular project. So if I want to adjust this, my kind of default purple background right here, I can click on the background. So I've literally just clicked there on the background, on the bit of the purple, not obviously on an image here, but on the background. And then we come up to the top, so this main toolbar here, you can see the background color is in fact this purple. Once I click on that, I get a whole bunch of options here. So you can choose any of these sort of preset colors here. If you have a brand kit colors, you can choose those right there. So if I was to click that one, you can see that it immediately changes and is reflected there. We also have some solid colors, some photo colors here. So this is pulling out some of the colors from different photos that I have in this project. So I can do that as well. If I want to go for any of those, you can see they immediately are reflected. One more thing up here, I can click new color and I can literally just put in a hex code here. I can choose a color from within the design. If I want to go for that green, I can match that green like that using this little color picker. We can literally move it around to sort of finesse and go granular and get the exact color that we want. And obviously we can use our reference images right there. And then one more thing at the very bottom here, we can do gradients. So I can click any of these gradients and I can get these nice kind of very modern AI, well, I say AI, just sort of quite cool gradients. I always think AI whenever I see gradients, I don't know why. But yeah, that's quite a nice one. So we can do gradients just like that. In fact, that might be my new background color for thumbnails, I don't know. But that was a video on how to change the background color on Canva. I've given you a lot of different options here. You're literally just going to pick the background in an image. You will come up to the top in the toolbar, click on background color, and you can change any of your background colors from there, including gradients. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.